I think we need to start talking, honestly speaking, about federalism. We need to start talking, honestly speaking, as a country about federalism. Why should the land registry of any local government be run by central government? For example, in Gulu here, the central government runs the land registry. The registrars in land are all Banyankole, 3. Why? Why should a man from Gulu be a district planner in Chenjojo? Why? Why can't we tap into local knowledge? Someone who understands the culture of the people. This could be answered by federalism. 85% of all the revenue in Uganda is collected from Kampala. Why is it that there are poor people in Uganda, yet money is collected from their land? Can federalism answer this? Why is it that Ginger, they produce hydroelectricity for the whole country, and then the money is collected away from the central government? Couldn't that be federal revenue? Why is gold picked from Karamoja and they fly it away to other destinations? Every part of this country has wealth. Some parts of the country may not have enough wealth. That is where the issue of equalization grant comes in. We need to start having a honest debate about federalism. Why should a number plate of a vehicle be issued by a central government? And yet in other countries like Tanzania, federal governments issue them. You see a number plate, MB, you know it's from Barara. GU, you know it's from Gulu. KA, you know it's from Kasese. Why do we centralize this? And guess what? Of all the 44 trillion shillings we collect as government of Uganda, that is our GDP, 44 trillion shillings. Only 11.2% of that money goes to local governments. That means only about 8 trillion goes to local government. All the other money is consumed by the central government. Huge cost of central government operation, huge. So we need to have a honest debate about federalism. Federalism, not federal. I'm talking of federalism. The debate has to start. It may solve our mayhems.